unusual winning stoppers, and and bevel buy gap between late stubborncy and early 2018. Was that the only coin there? Guys, it felt like a dream, but it really happened. Could it happen again? If it could happen once, why can't it happen again? XRP has already briefly surpassed Bitcoin as the most valuable cryptocurrency. Not Bitcoin beat XRP, guys, because it's the king right now. And at some point, CRP will always be number one, not money advice. And this video will talk about a lot of things. Altcoin season is here, and here's what's coming up, guys. People say that there are only a few months left until a Black Swan event. Why? And I'm not joking. The next Bitcoin halving is in just 67 days. Are you ready? That's crazy, right? So technically, time is running out. Every hour that goes by, guys, we're getting closer and closer to maybe a melt up. This person says many people are now predicting that Bitcoin prices will go up. Earlier, many people said that there are diminishing returns in the crypto world, meaning that Bitcoin went to 1,000 times its value, then it went up 100 times its value, then it went up 10 times its value, and so on. The next cycle is supposed to be about 3 times its value, but that doesn't make any sense. So the consensus is that what's going to happen next in this case is thrown out, which means that there will still be outstanding gains. You guys are right, and the decreasing returns crew has said that Bitcoin will reach a high point of less than $100,000, right? Back to Bitcoin reach a high point in the 6-figure range. That is $300,000 or more. What's going on is a mystery right now, but we'll find out. That's what's going on with Bitcoin, guys. If everything goes as planned, we should see higher prices for Bitcoin and everything else. What's going on here? Run, check out the flare chart, guys. This is crazy, guys. This is flare, right? And as a whole, the XRP ecosystem. We got XRP, flare, and Songbird, guys, along with a few other tokens to add to that ecosystem. Are we not crazy? Doesn't this feel like the start of the whole season? Guys, take a look at this. Right flare has been going up like crazy for the past couple of days, guys. And it's been up almost 30. And that's just with flare. Songbird has also been up. What is this on February 1st? It's been up almost 50 so far. That doesn't happen in a bear market, guys. Could this mean that altcoin season is coming up soon? As we have proof right here that people are still bearish. Why are you such a bear? Also, I'm still in my XRP average long, right? No, not right now. I could make a good amount of money. I'm not going to cash out. So why? Guys, I'm not here to get a few cents. I'm here to get that $1 pump. If it does happen, I'll go crazy, and I'll use that against you guys. And I don't talk about training too much because I don't want people to be influenced, because it's very dangerous right now. We've known all season that the ethereum spot ETF will get approved. All right, check this out. This could be the start of an exciting season. Remember that when something big is coming up, people try to get ahead of it. That is that shooting and the ring the big and S-full season happen. When does Bitcoin really take off? It could happen months in advance, right? February, March. You guys get it. It will also be okay for an XRP spot ETF. And check this out. If a spot ETF is approved, all of your coins will go up by 100 times. The multi-year all season has begun there. We're done, guys. Hey, again, like this video if you want to get rid of your pairs by age 25 too. Take a look at that. That's the total market value of all the cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin. Okay, guys, it looks like we're back in the same kind of situation. Guys, we're about to see this crazy mega pump. I'm all set. I really hope they pumped it before something terrible happens. Why? Because if they don't get it, it's going to be the same thing that happened in 2020 again. Yes, and we don't want to lose our profits. So I hope they pump and make all-time highs. I'm ready for it. And this answers with them. And look at these charts. Everyone shows the same path going up. This is where the downtrend in altcoins meets the trend line that has been there for more than 7 years. I don't understand how people can be bearish on altcoins. Also, XRP is said to be an altcoin, so it's in the same group as these other altcoins XRP is used. And there is something even grander and more beautiful going on with XRP right now. Now that people don't see on the higher levels. We can see bullish and hidden bullish divergences on the weekly and 2-weekly charts, which will play out over the next month, even though it hasn't been proven yet. This month is likely the month that it is proven that XQ keeps going up. If that happens, I'll let you know, and it will be a big deal in the next month or two. You guys are going to go crazy, and XRP won't go away. No, the market has gone up a little, but that was just a warm-up. As you were closer, you can see that every time we cross, we break through this resistance line. This is what resistance lines look like. What's going to happen next? That's where we are now, guys. Guys, it's getting tighter and tighter until it blasts off. Yes, and what is this chart? To understand Bitcoin, remember that when the Ethereum goes off, everything else does too, right? That's alt season, guys. So we're almost there. And what is it? This is on the weekly chart. It looks like a few more weeks until there is either consolidation or a pump. It gives us until March or April, which is around that time again. Very interesting. Guys, come on. I'm not sure. I'm very optimistic right now. I'm so optimistic. I hope I got the XRP low. I'm not kidding. If I did, it would last for generations. What I mean, how come you can't catch bottom and tops, guys? That's all we had to say, but we did catch the dollar at the Dexy top. In fact, I have a video about it on my second channel. And the bottom of the stock market, Bitcoin and CP are all guys. That's crazy. We did it. I don't know how. Also, the golden cross for altcoins on the 2-week chart is very close, right? And you guys are crazy for making these 2 weekly charts. And this candle shows 2 weeks worth of price changes, which is, and the higher the time frame, the higher the changes. If you look at longer time frames, the move will be more crazy than in shorter time frames. That's why I said that XRP would be an event if it did get that confirmation on the 2-week mark. I can't, because the prices are going to melt in a few months. Guys, don't worry too much about the short term. It won't help, right? Why here's another crypto market cap that doesn't include Bitcoin from 2016. What did it turn out? The purple line was higher than the black line. Also, the purple line is about to go above the damn block line again, i.e. in 2020, above the black line as well. Fast into when there seems to be a green candle when it does happen. Yes, it does happen every single time. There is a big green candle that comes into view right now. That means in the next few weeks. I don't know. We'll see it happen in a few weeks or months. I am ready. Don't you think it's funny to voice? I love bullish crossovers, so take another look at that 2020. There are a lot of moving averages and EMAs out there right now. The moving averages that have been going up right now are crossing over to the upside. Look at this guy's other one right here, right? A lot of altcoins, this is interesting because it changes the bullish mood for altcoins and maybe even Bitcoin. It's like there are still 2 solid weeks of selling left in the GBTC minimum, which means that if Bitcoin stays the same, altcoins will go up. I don't know what the final numbers are for Blood for BlackRock. I do know that Aladdin bought 3,806 Bitcoins worth a total of 70,000 Bitcoins in 15 trading sessions. That's $3 billion in just 2.5 weeks. Ladies and gentlemen, that's crazy. About shopping, what about the other people? Come on, guys. That makes the fire stronger, which could mean a new thing is coming soon. It was pretty much an all-time high, and this was before the halving and the Wall Street story. And everyone else who wants to join in, right? Again, the numbers tell us everything we need to know. And which way do you lean? It's not me, do not follow me. Let's not waste time and see what happens in the future. The proof is in the dough. See you later.